Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel PTE Test Prep. Today I am going to explain one of the most interesting and useful English grammar passages that many students find tricky, but don't worry, I will make it super simple and easy to understand. So stay with me till the end and I promise you will never forget these rules again. Advising couples privately on changing their child's behavior, dash, doing corporate seminars for working parents. Here we will use as well as because it used for joint two related actions. Here Muse is doing two things, advising couples privately and doing corporate seminars. So we will join them like this, advising couples privately on changing their child's behavior as well as doing corporate seminars for working parents. So what is the tip is this? Here as well as means in addition to or also doing. Example, I study English as well as teach it. So next step is parents are getting older and they have been in control of their dash lives and been successful. Here, whole means complete or entire. The sentence says they have been in control of their whole lives. That means they have been in control of their entire life from beginning to now. So what is trick behind this? Use whole when you talk about the full time or thing. Example, she worked hard her whole life. Don't say all life. That sounds unnatural. So we will use here whole life. So the next step is nicknamed the 3-day nanny dash her pledge. Here the answer should be because of. What's the reason of that? Because of shows the reason for something. Here we are explaining why she is called the 3-day nanny. Nicknamed the 3-day nanny because of her pledge to fix behavioral problems. That means she got that nickname due to her promise of fixing problems in 3 days. What is tip behind this? Use because of plus noun. Noun should be reason. Example, I stayed home because of the rain. Now the last fill up is the dash of the parenting consultant distinct from that of a nanny has developed. Here the answer is role. Role means the job, duty or position a person has. Here the role of the parenting consultant distinct from that of a nanny has developed. That means her position or job as a parenting consultant is different from the nanny's work. What is trick behind this? Use role when you talk about someone's function or job. Example, a teacher's role is to guide students. So this example is very good for this paragraph. Now you know the logic behind these grammar answers. Tell me in the comments which rule you liked the most. And yes, I'm coming soon with more amazing grammar rules, English tips and tricks that will help you speak and write like a pro. So make sure you subscribe, stay connected and keep learning with me. Thank you so much. Now I want to ask a question from you. There is an fill-ups. You will give me answer in comments. I will just see who will give the answer correct. She got this nickname dash her helpful nature. There are some options related with, together with, because of, according to. So give me answer in comments. Then we see who is correct.